Welcome to AC Auto Reviews, your go-to destination for in-depth and unbiased reviews of cars, trucks, and everything automotive. If you're a vehicle enthusiast or someone looking to buy your next ride with confidence, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into one of America's favorite pickup trucks, the 2013 Ford F-150. From its powerful performance and rugged capabilities to its interior features and overall reliability, we'll cover everything you need to know about this legendary truck. The 2013 Ford F-150 continues the tradition of toughness and versatility that has made it one of the best-selling trucks in the United States for decades. This model year brought a strong mix of engine options, advanced features for its time, and a wide range of trims to suit every type of driver, whether you're hauling heavy loads or just commuting in style. Ford built the F-150 to be a workhorse with the comfort and tech needed for everyday life. Under the hood, the 2013 F-150 offers a solid lineup of engine choices. You have the base 3.7-liter V6 that produces around 302 horsepower and 278 pound-feet of torque. For those needing more power, there's the 5.0-liter V8 that delivers 360 horsepower and 380 pound-feet of torque. Then there's the impressive 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, which combines turbocharged performance with fuel efficiency, putting out 365 horsepower and 420 pound-feet of torque. Lastly, for the old-school truck lovers, there's a 6.2-liter V8 making 411 horsepower and 434 pound-feet of torque, available on higher trims like the Raptor. All engines are paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission that shifts smoothly whether you're towing, off-roading, or driving through city streets. Speaking of towing, the 2013 Ford F-150 can pull more than most competitors in its class.